Hey, hello guys, welcome to Tongli. So now let's take a look. So you can see up there we have the coarse screen and the fine screen. And then now what we are moving on to is this is a finished product screener. And then you can see after the raw materials coming out from the rotary drum cooler, it will into this bucket elevator. And this bucket elevator will lift all the raw materials into this finished product screener. So now let's take a look. So as you can see, the structure is similar to that of the coarse screen and then the fine screen, but you can see because we're moving on to the final step, the finished product screening. So the fortify size raw materials the products will be passed on to the preceding stage, which is the rotary drum coating machines on the bottom, and then those unqualified size materials will be sent back for reprocessing. So yeah, thank you guys. And then now let's move on to the coating machine.